How's it going? Welcome back to the channel. This was the Airsoft GI Black and Gold 20th Anniversary Mystery Box. I paid $189 for it, and I'm super excited about this. It really didn't take that long to get here. The only thing I'm hoping is the lowest you can get in the box was a few pistols, and still the pistols ranged at like $200, $220. And then it was like some shotguns and then a bunch of AEGs all the way up to that minigun. Now, from the looks of the box, I don't think it's a pistol. It's not the minigun, which that would have been amazing. I wouldn't have known how to use it, but still would have been cool. The only other thing I'm kind of worried about is this being a shotgun. I didn't want a shotgun. So let's get into it. Please don't be a shotgun or a pistol with a bunch of paper. What do you think's in it? Let's see this. Also, we're going to be doing a giveaway with this BKK bar. It's brand new. I've only used it to open a few boxes. And if you want it, just like, subscribe, and comment you want it. Say, I want the K bar. Just put K bar in there. It's yours. At 100 subscribers, I'll give it to somebody. It's not a pistol. Let me move this box off to the side. So what we have, Fur Friends IAR Weapon Simulator. Let's turn this around so you can see it. I've never even heard of Fur Friends, but I haven't been doing this that long either. So, please don't be a Fur Friend shotgun. Do they even make shotguns? No shotguns. Come on. No shotgun. What we have is a heavy, all metal AEG. Come on, no battery. Comes with a steel high cap mag. Don't eat those. All right. Come on, Fur Friends. Flip up sights. All aluminum. The stock is polymer. Stock's polymer. Rotary hop up. Come on. Super heavy. Well, I'm going to put a battery in it, and then we're going to take and put a few rounds through it, see how she shoots. Let me move this out the way and I'll do all that. Okay, so now I got battery in it. We're going to look up all the specs on this thing because I don't know nothing about it. Nothing about it. Let's go to Airsoft GI. I'm gonna put my glasses on. So we're gonna go to Airsoft GI. Okay, so I paid $189 for the black and gold mystery box from Airsoft GI. What I got was a Furfran's fully licensed AIR with a 14-inch M-LOK rail, M4 AEG, and the cost of it is $360. So that's a good deal. Paid $189 and got a $360 pew pew. Muzzle velocity is 380 feet per second. 300 round magazine. 8mm version 2 gearbox. Rotary hop-up chamber. Functional bolt cat. So I guess this is a new company. But I went ahead and put some BBs in it and a battery. It takes, I've got a 9.6 in it right now, and they said it'll also use the 11.1 Tamiya, however you say that. That's the battery hookup it has. It doesn't have the Deans. You got your little fancy orange tip. That's probably going to come off of this one. We're going to switch this over to semi. And let's see. Let's see. Let's go over to fully auto. I like it. I like it. It's feels a lot more sturdy than my Lancer Tactical, which is right here. They got a little store at Bias, and I paid $12 for that gun in the box. It didn't have the battery or nothing with it, but I paid $12 for it. So I'm liking the deals we're getting, and I can't wait to show you some gameplay with this one. So I say that overall, the Airsoft GI mystery box success. I will be getting some more of them and kind of opening up for y'all to see and check out and show you what's in them. In the description it said it was super tight gun, which it's no rattles, but that rattles a little bit. Can't wait to see what it shoots like tomorrow and get out there and check it out. So what do y'all think? Have y'all used these before? Do you know anything about them? What's the quality of them? Longevity? Got the little flip up mounts. Those are full aluminum. Sweet looking little gun, but it's heavy though. Running with this all day. Anyway, that's it. That's the unboxing. I am super pumped though. We didn't get the pistol or shotgun. Good deal. Can't wait to order the next one and let y'all see what comes out of it. Well, see you in the next one.